8th grade Illustrative Math, Unit 2, Lesson 3 Practice. Dilations with no grid. Number 1. Segment AB measures 3 centimeters. Point O is the center of dilation. How long is the image of AB after a dilation with A? Scale factor of 5. 3 centimeters multiplied by 5 equals 15 centimeters. The image of AB after a dilation with a scale factor of 5 would be 15 centimeters. B. How long is the image of AB after a dilation with a scale factor of 3 7/10? 3 centimeters multiplied by 7/10 equals 11 1/10 centimeter. So the image of AB after a dilation of 3 7/10 would be 11 1/10 centimeters. C. A scale factor of 1/5. 3 centimeters multiplied by 1/5 would equal 6/10 of a centimeter or 3/5 of a centimeter. 6/10 of a centimeter and 3/5 of a centimeter are equivalent. D. A scale factor of S. 3 centimeters multiplied by S equals 3s centimeters. Number 2. Here are points A and B. Plot the points for each dilation described. A. C is the image of B using A as the center of dilation and a scale factor of 2. So start with A and head towards B, and since it's a scale factor of 2, you would move beyond B one entire length. This is where you would plot the point for C. B. D is the image of A using B as the center of dilation and a scale factor of 2. So now you're going to start at B, head towards A, and move past A one full unit. So this is where you would plot the point for D. C. E is the image of B using A as the center of dilation and a scale factor of 1/2. Start at A and move towards B, but stop halfway. This is where you would plot the point for E. D. F is the image of A using B as the center of dilation and a scale factor of 1/2. We would start at B, head towards A, and stop halfway. It would be at the same location as E. Number 4. Triangle ABC is a scaled copy of triangle DEF. Side AB measures 12 centimeters and is the longest side of ABC. Side DE measures 8 centimeters and is the longest side of DEF. A. Triangle ABC is a scaled copy of triangle DEF with what scale factor? Well, 12 centimeters compared to 8 centimeters is the same as a 12:8 ratio, which is the same as 3:2 or 3/2. The scale factor would be 3/2. B. Triangle DEF is a scaled copy of triangle ABC with what scale factor? 8 centimeters compared to 12 centimeters. That's the same as an 8:12 ratio. An 8:12 is the same as 2:3 or 2/3. The scale factor would be 2/3. Number 5. The diagram shows 2 intersecting lines. Find the missing angle measures. A. What number added to 102 equals 180? A plus 102 equals 180. That's the same as 180 minus 102 equals A. And 180 minus 102 is 78. So A measures 78 degrees. B. B is the opposite or vertical to 102 degrees. B has a measure of 102 degrees. C. C is adjacent to 102 and is vertical to A. Since angle A is 78 degrees and angle C is vertical of angle A, angle C is also 78 degrees. Number 6. A. Show that the 2 triangles are congruent. You would reflect across the y-axis and move down 5 units. B. Find the side lengths of DEF and the angle measures of ABC. The side length of D and E are equal to the side lengths of A and B, so DE equals 5 units. The side lengths of BC are equivalent to the side lengths of FE, so the side lengths of FE would be equal to 3 units. So FD would be equivalent to 3.2 units, since side length FD is equivalent to side length CA. Angles DEF and ABC are congruent. Angle DEF is 36 9/10 degrees, so angle ABC would also be 36 9/10 degrees, since those angles are congruent. Angles BCA and EFD are also congruent. Since angle EFD is 108 4/10 degrees, angle BCA would also be 108 4/10 degrees. Angles CAB and FDE are also congruent. Since angle FDE is 34 7/10 degrees, then angle CAB would also be 34 7/10 degrees.